Welcome back, everyone. For those of you new to the channel, this is Trade by Numbers, and I'm Josiah, and I trade stocks and cryptocurrencies for a living. Now, if you hate making money, this is not the channel for you. But if you like making money, if you like learning about stocks, crypto, and investing, and you want to do it in an easy to follow along with way where no one's trying to sell you a course, be sure and hit that subscribe button. Come on over. Let's learn. Let's make some money out here in the markets. Now, we had a very interesting day in the market today. Now, I said this morning that I wasn't necessarily expecting to have a good day, that I was looking maybe for a bit of a pullback. However, I will say that it was far more drastic than I had anticipated. We ended up with the S&P closing 2.45% down, Dow down 2.25% down, and the NASDAQ down 3.33% down for the NASDAQ. So pretty significant drops today. And with that happening, you've already got a bunch of YouTubers coming out and saying that they feel that this bull run that we've been having, this little rally we've been having, that they're saying it's officially over and that we could be moving down even with the good news that we've gotten. Now, I'm not sure I believe that yet. We'd have to see the charts confirm that for me, because at this point, I just don't believe. I know the markets are forward looking and that they plan ahead, but with that being said, the markets could not have known that we were going to beat on our CPI numbers as much as we did. And even though the Fed had come out and said that they may do only a 50 basis point hike, we could not have known that that's what they were going to do. What would have happened if they had done a 75? You know, if they're saying that this was already baked in, a 75 would have crushed it, which I already believed a 75 was going to drive it down, and I still believed we were going to get a leg down. I can't get on board with a lot of these other YouTubers just yet. At this point, I am still bullish on the market, and I think that we have some potential to run up. With that being said, I said it this morning. I expected today and maybe even tomorrow to be down. Next week is going to be the real driver. We get into next week and we're still going down, then I may have to change my opinion. But for now, I'm going to continue bullish for the time being. Now, we didn't really make any money on any of our plays today. Just the market did not the market did not get on board for us. I bought some TQQQs. They went down. Bought some Coinbase. They've gone down. The only thing that is up from where I bought it was our IMPPs. IMPP did move up today a little bit, and a little bit more here in the after hours. In fact, let me pull that up real quick. Yeah, we're up almost 31 cents here in the after hours. So not bad. We got up to around 30 in opening market. And in all honesty, we ran up to almost 33 cents at one point in time. Now, I just got home. I didn't see it. Wasn't able to catch that move. But if you were out there and you caught that move from where we bought in at 29.5 cents, you made a fantastic ROI. If you're like me and you missed it, well, hopefully tomorrow morning we'll still get some push out of that and we'll be able to take some profit. But even at right now, we're up over a penny, which isn't bad considering we got in at 29.5 cents. Penny is a pretty good ROI. So we'll play it out. I may even end up selling it tonight. Lock in some of that profit, especially with tomorrow being Friday. So I'm not going to keep this video long. I know it's already a little later than I normally shoot, but I wanted to go ahead and get this video out and just talk about the market a little bit, because there's definitely going to be a lot of fear spread. Now, with that being said, I'm not saying that everyone's out there fear mongering, because some people may truly believe that this market's going down. But I don't want to scare you off into a loss too early. If you're using proper risk management, we've got the ability to wait it out a few days. If it looks like the market's going to continue down, then we may have to switch gears, might have to take a few losses and set ourselves up. But with that being said, we're going to be picking some winners along the way. We're going to be making some money regardless of how the market's going. That's why we don't put all of our money just into these market plays. We find good plays that's going to make money whether the market's going up or down. We're going to continue to do that. We're going to continue to add to our portfolio no matter what happens. Best case scenario, the market drops 30% like I anticipated. It's only going to make us even richer when we come out the other side of this. So that's what I got for you. Join me in the morning. We'll look at the pre-markets. We'll get a game plan together to close this week out. We've had a pretty good week so far, and we'll get the week closed out. We'll be up. We'll be making money. So until then, be blessed, and remember, never trade with your emotions. Always trade by the numbers.